Dear students, welcome back to English literature class. We are doing the chapter Robin Becomes an Outlaw. This is video number 3 for this chapter. So let's continue on page number 139. Robin realized that he had been tricked. He knew that the punishment for killing a king's deer without permission was death, but he had forgotten it when the chief forester lay a bet with him. He had to escape or he would be caught and hanged. But before he fled, he let loose another arrow. This arrow hit the chief forester's neck, who fell to the ground. Some of the men ran to help him. The other ran after Robin to take him as prisoner. So Robin realized that he had been tricked. Underline tricked. Tricked means he was deceived, cunningly deceived by the chief forester and his other foresters. So he was made to believe that what was not true. He was asked to kill the deer, which was the king's deer. He knew that the punishment for killing a king's deer without permission was death, and so he decided to escape from there. Underline escape. Escape means break free from their control, from the foresters. Or he would be caught and hanged. If he would not try to escape, he would be caught by them and then ultimately he would be hanged. But before he fled, underline fled. Fled means before he tried to run away, before that, what did he do? He let loose another arrow. And this time the arrow hit the chief forester's neck. And that means he killed the chief forester also. Some of the men ran to help him. The other ran after Robin to take him as prisoner. So this was sure now that he would be taken up as a prisoner because he had killed a deer and the chief forester also. Robin knew the forest well and he was able to escape the foresters. He hid himself in the thickest part of the forest and stayed there for some days. Finally, when he thought it was safe for him to go home, he made his way home. So now Robin had killed the chief forester and the soldiers were after him. The other foresters were trying to find him. So he knew the forest well. So he tried to escape the foresters and he hid himself in the thickest part of the forest where maximum trees were there so that nobody could find him. So he tried to hide himself in the thickest part of the forest. And finally, when he thought that it was safe for him to go home, then he went home. But there were soldiers waiting for him. The chief forester was killed, and this made Robin an outlaw. The sheriff had announced a prize of 100 silver coins to any man who caught Robin Hood. So he had killed the chief forester. This made Robin an outlaw. So he was not given any protection of the law. So he had done something against law. So sheriff had announced a prize of 100 silver coins to any man who caught Robin Hood. The people of his town loved Robin very much. They never blamed him as Robin had killed a man who had tricked him and almost got him hanged. So the people of Nottingham, they loved Robin Hood very much. They never blamed him that Robin had done something wrong, but he had killed the chief forester to save his own life, and he tried to save himself from being hanged. He had not killed in anger but to save his own life. He was not really a bad man. So when he returned to his town, the folks warned him about the soldiers. Underline folks. Folks means people. The people warned him that the soldiers were looking for him. Robin had no choice but to go back to the forest and live there. So he went back to the forest again to live there. Robin stayed hidden in Sherwood Forest for many years. As time passed, other men joined him in the forest. So he kept hidden in the Sherwood Forest and he lived there for many years. As the time passed, other men also joined him in the forest and started staying with him. Many of these men had turned against the sheriff and other noblemen to protect themselves and their family. So these people, many people, they had turned against the sheriff and the noblemen As a result, they had been made outlaws and their houses and farms had been taken away. So these men who had turned against the sheriff and the king, so they had been made outlaws and their houses and farms, they had been taken away. They ran away to the forest to save their lives or escape being sent to prison. Many of them joined Robin and chose him as their leader. So these men, they tried to escape uh, from being sent to prison. Many of them joined Robin and they also chose him as their leader. Soon he had become the chief of a band of over 20 strong and brave men. They fought against the sheriff and his friends and tried to protect the simple villagers from the cruelty of the powerful noblemen. So all these men, they fought against the sheriff and his friends and they tried to protect the villagers from the cruelty of the powerful noblemen. Noblemen means the high class people, the royal people, the earls and the dukes. So this is how Robin Hood tried to save the people and help the people from the high class people, the noblemen, and their cruelty. So this is how the chapter ends. And we have word meanings given here. Outlaw. Outlaw means a person punished by keeping him outside the protection of the law. Archer. Archer means a person who shoots with bow and arrows. Band. A number of persons forming a group. Sheaf. Number of things tied together. Ale. Beer. Blossomed. To come into flower or bloom. Foresters. People who work in the forest. Mocked. To make fun of. Sly. Sly means cunning. Yard. It is a unit of length equal to 3 feet. So please learn these word meanings and we will do the question answers in the class. Thank you.